Hi guys, how are you? Now I have to continue about the online website designing and learning earning. And now another way is to make an auction website. An auction website allows users to bid products to purchase them. This allows the sellers to maximize their profits and customers to find unique deals. eBay is probably the best example of an online auction marketplace. You can run auctions on your WordPress website and even allow third party vendors to list their products as well. You can make money by charging for a listing and by getting a cut on each sale. To build an auction marketplace with WordPress, you will need the following guides once. WooCommerce for shopping cart and payment features, an auction add-on, a multi-vendors add-on. For a step-by-step structure, see our guide on how to build an eBay-like auction website using WordPress. Another way is to create a job marketplace website. Unlike a regular job listing website, a job marketplace allows you to make money on each job listing. Fiverr and Upwork and probably the best example of an online job marketplace websites. You can promote our jobs marketplace as a micro job platform for people working in the same niche as your blog. To make your platform more competitive, you can select a very specific niche. This will help you easily find customers and professionals who are unable to use large platforms because of too much irrelevant competition. You can charge a small fee job for job listing or when a job is completed. More successful completion of jobs will bring you more customers and freelancers in the future. For details, see our step-by-step tutorials on how to make a Fiverr-like micro job website using WordPress. Become a WordPress designer or developer. If you are more technically inclined, then you can become a WordPress developer or designer in order to make money online. This will take more technical skills, but it's not too hard to get started. Another way is to develop WordPress plugins. Plugins are what make WordPress so flexible and powerful. Plugins work like apps, allowing you to extend and modify any features of your WordPress websites. Plugins come in all varieties from very simple code modification to complex software applications. If you have a basic grasp of how WordPress works and some simple PHP knowledge, you can create your own WordPress plugin. As a plugin developer, there are many ways you can distribute your plugins. Anyone can submit a free plugins to the WordPress or what organization plugin directory as long as they following the WordPress plugin guidelines. This is a great way to gain experience and build a reputation for yourself as a WordPress plugin developer. Thank you.